Next on our list is PSG Konsult, which of course is in the financial advice, stockbroking, asset management and insurance game. It came back to the market in June 2014. Prior to that, it had been traded in a sort of OTC capacity. Obviously, it's part of the PSG group, but it's got a market cap of 9.2 billion rand. Its CEO is Francois Gous. He's an ex-investment banker, done very nicely recently. The price to earnings ratio says here 31.22. That seems high. I'm not quite sure if that's exactly right, but it has to do, I suppose, with prior periods and reporting and what have you. Dividend yield looks right at 1.85%. Results out last week. Steady growth. Not doing any acquisitions, but assets under management growing, number of advisors growing. I mean, they do a solid job. Yeah. They traditionally have focused on Afrikaans-speaking clients, but they've got branches literally in every single jurisdiction in the Republic of South Africa.
Yeah. I used to work with Francois Gous back in the old days at a place called Senekal, Mouton and Kitsoff, which was the largest Afrikaans stockbroking firm in the world.
Outstanding. Not surprising either. But then he went and worked for like UBS or something in Europe, and then London, he came back.
Yes, that's right.
Seems like a solid chap.
Very bright guy. He was a banking analyst. He was the #1 rated analyst for many years. Knows his stuff. Good guy. Yeah.
So what's going to happen here? If they're not going to do like crazy buy deals, all they're going to do is just fill it out. And their objective obviously is to be in each and every client's life in a totality. So they want to give you financial advice, they want to look after your insurance, they want to put you into products, they want to give you stocks if you like that. They want their audit friends to do your small business audit if they can as well.
Yeah.
But solid profits, solid model, very solid guys. One question, what about Yanni Mouton coming off the board? That's not really a big deal, is it?
I see that. I mean, he must be, around about 70 these days, so he's probably going to take a bit more time to relax and still.
And Rian Stassen, the ex-Capitec boss, is going to come in, but that's just another solid operator.
It's really, there's no cause for concern there at all.
That share chart looks a bit funny, but I guess it's because, remember, if you listed in 2014, then you go up for a bit and then you sort of go sideways with the rest of the market. But overall, hot or not, you like the story?
I like the company, but at this kind of rating, I find it kind of expensive. So I find it difficult to get hot on it, although fundamentally I'm hot on it.
Yeah, so you're responding to that 30 PE, which is probably a reflection that the market thinks its earnings in future period is going to still be solid. Yeah, I guess that's something. We need to look into that a little bit more, but we're going to go not hot for now.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I know